Hey guys, what this is McLaughlin channel, and today I want to do a video, and I just want to do maybe like a second video or a minute video. I don't know how long this video is gonna take. So anyways, I want to do a video to say to you guys that I got a bad news. This Memorex radio will not be turned won't turn on. I know, I know it's kind of sucks, but when I just literally found what's on the dumpster from over there in the Synesis building, it's not. It won't. It was work perfectly fine, 100% legit. And once I turn on the last month when I started filming during my live stream, I usually use that radio just to do a video, just to do a live stream for you guys on Instagram and especially on YouTube. And you know what? During YouTube live stream, we don't. I don't use Memorex radio just to show you how I abuse it once I turn it up in max volume. I use Instagram instead, so you guys can see the live stream as I'm doing it. And as I'm using Memorex Radio to do a filming today, and let me tell you when just happened. So let me just say it. Okay, so it was 8:25 p.m. It's way past 8 o'clock. I double checked to make sure the radio is completely on by pressing that button. It doesn't let it turn on. And it's way past 6 o'clock, and it's pitch black out there. It's about to be nighttime. And while I'm setting up Memorex radio and setting up everything, this is how it turns out. It won't turn on. Watch, guys. See, it won't turn on. When I clicked it multiple times, the radio turning on. It doesn't turn on. Maybe the button is broken or something. Well, I hope not, because I literally just pressed that button multiple times in order to turn it on, and the radio itself, it wouldn't turn on me. So so sadly I won't be able to make make a video for you guys for the I won't be able to make a video for you guys for the day, and I won't be able to publish it on video once I do a video, because it's a stupid radio. It won't turn on me. But I will give you guys update and let you guys know when it's the radio is going to turn on, because every day I'm still gonna check on the radio to see if it's working by pressing it multiple times to see if it's working. I will give you guys updates, let you guys know when it's the radio it's working right now or sooner or later, to see and make sure the radio is still working, and I will be able to make a video. So yeah. All right. So what? Because hopefully I'm still gonna check every day to make sure I wanted to test to I want to test it out to see if it's on, or if it's working, or not. Or all I would do is unplug the radio off, and let it sit for like an hour or so, and then tomorrow, and then every day when I'm ready to film, I'm gonna check the radio to see if it's working by pressing that button is on, to see if it's working. I'm gonna check to make sure every day to see if it's working. I'm gonna test I'm gonna start testing it out by plugging it in, and turn the power on. I will give you I promise you guys, I will give you guys update to let you guys know when is the radio is working, so like that I can still do a video for you guys. It's gonna be so hilarious, but don't worry. I'm still working on checking the radio to see if it's working by pressing the button on, because you see like this, every time I'm trying to set everything up and do a video, this won't turn on. So yeah, so don't worry, guys. I will I promise you guys, this video is not over yet, because I still have all day to figure out if the radio is working, is by plugging it out and plugging it back in, and turn the power on to see if it's working good. And if it's not working, then sadly I'm gonna have to do a video for you guys, that and I give you a sad video that he might go to the funeral, and we're gonna be ending up taking two speakers with me to my to with me to Brooklyn. And especially in my dad's house, I do have a Sony receiver to blow him up, while the Memorex radio is on it's on a funeral, because I already know this radio itself sounds trash. But don't worry, guys. I promise you guys, this is where I'm gonna be doing sound pressure video every week, and this can go on YouTube, so you guys can watch those videos to see one of these those videos. It can make you laugh. Okay, so don't worry, guys. This it's not like I'm giving up on making a sound pressure video. Of course I'm still making a sound pressure video. It's just because that this stupid radio is not letting me turn on. After I press the button, it won't turn it on. But I'm gonna check every day to make sure the radio is on, and I give you guys update once I do more next more once I do more videos to give you guys update, let you guys know if the radio is still working properly. This is what, guys, I let you know. So all right, so okay, so it's nice. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys. And remember, I'll give you guys once again. I'm gonna give you guys update, let you guys know that the radio it's still working. I'm not sure if the radio is it's not working yet, but if the radio is not turned on correctly, starting on November 24th, he's gonna we're gonna start the funeral here in my room, and we're gonna act like, and we're gonna be crying and saying that Memorex RIP, since the radio is not letting me turn on. But I'll give you guys update um when is the radio is working, is by turning it on, and you see the blue LED screen is on, then I'll give you guys update, let you guys know if the radio is on, so I can do a video again. All right, so have a wonderful day, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.